it's really great acceleration on the sound-wise. Sound-wise, it sounds great, and it's really nice at wide open throttle. But Corsa exhaust is the way to go. We'll try it with windows up. We'll do windows up. There's not much drone in it too, and you can really hear the exhaust clearly. See? You know, you can hear it pretty well even with windows up, but we all know windows down is way better. Pretty subtle in like traffic too when you're just chilling. And my God, this guy is going so slow. It's really nice, honestly. Corsa Xtreme. It's a Corsa Xtreme, not Corsa Sport. Corsa Xtreme is the way to go. If you still want the tone, but a little bit not as loud as Corsa Xtreme, you can go Corsa Sport. But I'm allowed. As you guys know from my 3-valve, I like loud cars, so Corsa Xtreme for the win. But I love Mustangs, dude. I love all V8s, to be honest with you. To be perfectly honest. And coming up will actually be the place where I train at, which is also where I haven't been uploading. After practice, I'm just absolutely dead. So right here, Osorio Training Center. That's where I work out at and train at for my kickboxing and jiu-jitsu stuff, wrestling, all that stuff. It's a great place to work out, great team, great coaches. We're talking about getting me into the octagon and training me and stuff like that. So right now we're working on jiu-jitsu, but we got to work on everything. We got to work on wrestling, kickboxing, boxing, improve my jiu-jitsu. We're working on everything. Gotta love it. Hell yes. This guy's up there telling me to. Sound good? Yeah, man, it's always cool meeting. It's always cool meeting people and them. Especially with my. It's loud, but y'all have heard straight pipe hours before in the Bay and on Instagram, man. That can be way louder, but definitely puts a smile on my face when I hear that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all you guys that have been here the whole time for all the support. Been doing a lot of jiu-jitsu and MMA stuff, training for debuts and tournaments and stuff like that, but definitely gonna come up with more content. Rest in peace to One-Stock F30, man. Tragic what happened. Be careful out there, guys. Really, be careful when you're racing and stuff like that. Make sure, just be careful and make sure you take all the precautions when doing that racing stuff, because it sucks seeing somebody that you watch a lot and they're not there anymore. So just be careful out there, guys. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.